10th of May, and we wouldn't believe, with a day like this, we already have snow today. So it snowed today in Scotland on the 10th of May. Anyway, all I've been doing lately, it seems like, is cooking. So today we're gonna go for another one. Today we're gonna go for venison chili. So start the preparations for later to do the... Let's go down to it, shall we? Warming up the overall will be better if you actually turn the thing on. Warms a little bit quicker. And here there is a kilo of venison in here, which will be enough for 3 people. Gets here 2.5 or 3.25. We're gonna pour the meat into the pan and let it sizzle until add water in the meat. Beautiful, beautiful meat. Oh, tell you what, roll music. That is the water we want to get rid of. There is a lot of water, and we want to get rid of this water, and then we'll go to the next stage. We're gonna start, so the water is almost all gone, and we're gonna start adding the spice and the rest of the ingredients and stock. We just need to see if the stock that we're gonna add is getting ready. The stock is almost ready. Nah, just joking. That is a hearty meal, and 10th of May, and we had snow today, so fitting for a king. We can just get ready, grab a bowl, some toasted garlic bread, and gonna be magic. And I'm gonna let that thing cook for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And that's it. Our venison chili con carne, it's ready. Just turn off that. And look at this beauty. Oh man, if you could smell this. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's feed.